Okay guys, so here's all the code, and yeah, I fast forward the video so you don't have to listen to me explaining it. But yeah, if you do want to watch that video and actually build this rover, I got a video on my channel. I'll put that in the end screen, and you can go watch that after this one. Okay. Right, so here's a Raspberry Pi Pico. There are two KY038 sound sensors. There's a power bank, two motors, and just gonna turn it on, and it will do that for the first 5 seconds, and yeah, that's it. And guys, if you wanna know how to build this machine, you can watch this video right here. And yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I'll make sure to answer them.